Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching. In this tutorial, we are going to take a look at some popular Austrian sweets. We cover some famous brands, as well as some real classics. So let's get started. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to get to know some types of sweets that are common in Austria. Let's start with Mozartkugeln, which are one of the most famous sweets in Austria. Mozartkugeln are chocolate balls filled with nougat and marzipan. They are named after the Austrian composer Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. You will come across Mozartkugeln in almost every shop in Austria. Another famous Austrian type of sweet is called Schwedenbomben. Schwedenbomben consist of a marshmallow foam which is placed on a wafer and is covered with chocolate. Every second Schwedenbombe gets coconut flakes on top. In general, it can be compared with the Tunnock's chocolate teacakes in the UK. The one-to-one translation of Schwedenbomben is Schwedenbombes. Walter Niemetz invented the Schwedenbomben in 1926, and because a friend from Sweden helped him to develop the foam, he named it after Sweden. Furthermore, teacakes are very popular in Austria. Teacakes are biscuits that are covered in crispy chocolate. In the classical version, there is a mix of dark and light chocolate in each package. The slogan is "Wann ich nur aufhören könnt," which means "if I just could stop." Additionally, Ktzenzungen are a common chocolate product in Austria. The shape is similar to tongues of cats, and that is the reason for the name. Ktzenzungen consist of a light chocolate which is very thin. Besides, rum-kokos-kugeln have a lot of fans in Austria. Rum-kokos-kugeln can be translated as rum coconut balls in English. Rum-kokos-kugeln are chocolate balls which are filled with a special sugar crust and powerful rum. For the classic sweet kokoskugeln, coconut flakes are essential as well. Kokoskugeln means coconut dome in English and consists of chocolate, waffer, cocoa cream and coconut flakes. As you might know, Waffles play an important role in Austria when it comes to sweets. Famous producers of wafers are Manna, Auer or Pischinger. The standard form is called Neapolitana and is filled with hazelnut cream. But we can also find the flavors chocolate, lemon or cocoa. In this video we covered the sweets Mozartkugeln, Schwedenbomben, teacakes, Ktzenzungen, rum-kokos-kugeln und Waffles. I hope you're a bit more familiar with typical Austrian sweets. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next Austrian German tutorial.